Notion versus Trello with power-ups as simple CRM. Which is better? In this video, I'll break down how Notion and Trello stack up when you use them as lightweight CRM systems, and links to both tools are added to the description below so you can explore templates and pricing. Let's get straight to it. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, databases, boards, calendars, and docs into a single flexible system. When you use Notion as a CRM, you're essentially building your own custom contact and deal database with linked tables, properties, and views. This means you can tailor your CRM exactly to your workflow. Contact lists, deal stages, tasks, activity logs, follow-up reminders, notes, docs, and even embedded content all live in one place. Notion excels in flexibility. You can switch between table, board, list, or calendar views depending on how you want to visualize your data, and you can create personalized dashboards that show everything relevant to you. Its strength lies in its adaptability. If your CRM needs are unique or evolving, Notion lets you build and adjust without constraints. However, because it's a general workspace rather than a dedicated CRM, you may need to invest time in setting up views, properties, automations, and integrations to make it truly efficient. Trello, with power-ups, offers a more structured card-based approach to simple CRM workflows. At its core, Trello uses boards, lists, and cards, which map naturally to deal pipelines and activity tracking. With power-ups, add-ons that extend functionality, you can bring in custom fields, calendar views, automation, CRM-style reporting, integrations with email and calendars, and even CRM templates that turn Trello into a contact and pipeline manager. Trello's visual simplicity makes it extremely easy to adopt. Drag cards through deal stages, add labels, assign tasks, comment within cards, and use automation to reduce repetitive work. It's ideal for small teams, freelancers, and startups that want a simple visual CRM without complexity or a steep learning curve. Where Trello wins is in ease of use and clarity. You don't need to build your system from scratch, and power-ups fill in most gaps for CRM basics without overwhelming you. In terms of features, Notion offers unmatched flexibility and customization, while Trello delivers straightforward visual pipeline management with CRM add-ons that keep things simple and efficient. Notion is great if you want a multi-purpose workspace that doubles as a CRM and central hub for docs, knowledge, and tasks. Trello is better if you want a quick, visual, easy-to-use CRM with minimal setup and built-in visual pipelines. So, which is better? If your priority is customization and building a CRM tailored to your exact process, Notion is the smarter option. But if you want a lightweight, visual CRM that's simple to set up and use day-to-day, Trello with power-ups is the better choice.